Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we will be working on our Tron XY. Yes, it's Tron XY. It is not Tronxy. I don't know where that came from. That's a fake word. We got our Tron XY X5SA that we are working on converting into a decent machine. I have a new hot end assembly that I designed that is coming together nicely. We got the nice heated inserts and everything. And it holds this LDO orbiter and the Triangle Labs CHC hot end, along with the other accoutrements, fans and whatnot. Today we're changing out the lead screw nuts. These are the ones that came with it, and they are pretty horrific. I mean, oops, framing, you fuck. They're pretty horrific from the factory. But we'll get them swapped out with these equally horrific looking, but better because they have backlash help. I guess you'd call these an anti-backlash lead screw nut. Anti-backlash lead screw nut. Anyway, so yeah, we're swapping those out. I've actually already started tearing down the printer, as you can see. Got these out. All I'm doing is we have enough room when we lift this thing up to actually get that on there. So we're doing it that way. Let's check back in a little bit and see what the garage minions have done. Well, we're off like a herd of... Yeah, fucker. We're off like a herd of turtles. I don't know about you guys, but I count 1, 2, 3, 4 starts on this lead screw. It's a very aggressive pitch. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, me and my infinite wisdom went ahead and ordered up these. And last time I checked, 2 starts and 4 starts, no worky. So we will have to postpone this video. And for anybody out there wanting to do this modification, the newer Tron XY X5SAs are coming with 4-start lead screws, where I looked online, all I could find was information on a T82 lead screw, which this is not. So I'm gonna have to order different nuts. Well, so I guess for today, fuck off.